Hello. I did.
Hey, Sean. Yeah. Where's the
I think everyone's a little bit less than willing to come on camera today. I think it might be something to do with them being in their pyjamas. You join us here on the playground, Croeso i'r Benter, welcome to the venture, noswaith dda, good evening. And we're all in our pyjamas on the playground. There's nothing abnormal about this at all. We're having a little party here. If I turn this around.
Oh no. Yeah, man! Sure. I got a black all over mine. My accent. I need to. What? Sean! This is my sexy pig. Oh, 6 sexy pigs. Yes, Malcolm! Feeling so cold. There you go.
So we're having a pyjama party here on the playground today. We're just starting now, it's usual playground hours. So if you'd like to come join in, come on down, it's completely free. If you can give a donation towards our Children in Need appeal, the Flying Start, Dechadeg, they raised £80 already today. I know we've had donation. I've donated £10. We've had other donations already coming in, so come on down, join in the fun. It is Children in Need, once every 2 years. Senior playworker Jodie's here, playworkers Emma and Leon, and of course playground manager Bronson. And Mr. King Malcolm is also down here celebrating. So if you want to join in, we'd love to see you. We've got our very own Pudsey. Where's your hood? Put your head up.
Okay.
Yeah, look, we've got our very own Pudsey.
Yeah.
Say hello to Facebook. What's your names?
Lalvin, and some of my family is going to be on here.
Yeah?
Don't have one.
You don't have a name? Very good, very good.
Her name is Abby Scott.
So why should people come down to the venture and join in the party?
Because it's fun! Yeah.
Let's do this down. We've got... Looking very nice there, Harvey. Camouflage. We'll lose you if you go in the nature. So since we've got... Hi, Sean. Well done, Flying Start. My little girl raised £33 for Children in Need in the Flying Start playground. Well done, Diane. Thank you, Louise Haggerty. Thank you for joining in.
Louise Haggerty. It's Come here, quick. Come here. Look at all these guys. We're
Children's Aid Day. We're raising lots of money. Lots. I'm raising awareness. Am I drunk? No.
Well, that's a really good picture, so I'm going to go so that I can take a photograph of that. Thank you for watching, diolch am gwylio, and we'll catch you soon. Ta-ta rwan.
Bye, guys!